Let me ask you one honest question. Do you still manually turn on and off Outlook out of Office and then forget to turn it off, or set the wrong time, or mess it up during overnight shifts? What if I tell you this can be fully automated permanently? In most MNCs or corporate office, this looks a small thing, but missing out of office replies can create real problems. Missed emails, unhappy stakeholders, escalations, and stress. And if you work in a night shifts or rotation shifts, it becomes even worse. So I decided to solve this properly. Not with reminders, not with manual steps, but with a fully automated out of office system. One click and everything is handled. Let me show you what this does. Here I can see schedule out of office, one time or recurring. This even supports overnight schedules like 6 p.m. to 9 a.m. next day. Once I click this, I don't touch Outlook again. You can see the status clearly: active, pending. Green means running, yellow means scheduled. And if I want to pause it, one button, that's it. This is not a demo flow. This is something people actually use in real offices. It handles recurring out of office, overnight shifts, start and stop anytime, zero manual work. And one more thing, this is not limited to today or tomorrow. You or even your team members can schedule out of office for the entire month or even the next 6 months in advance. Client meeting, training, planned leave, business travel, everything can be pre-planned once and then completely forget. Behind the scenes, this system simply checks time, when to turn out of office on and when to turn it off. It does not depend on humans remembering things. I often build some automation in the office. People uses them daily, but most of the time those solution never gets proper visibility. This channel is my attempt to show real practical automation, not textbook examples. I'm not going to explain every condition and expression in the video because that would honestly kill interest for most of us. If you want a deep technical breakdown, I'll create a separate advanced video. If you work in an MNC and you want automation that actually helps in daily work, subscribe to this channel. I focus on real problem and real solutions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next automation.